Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
Start by preparing your iPhone for smooth Roblox gameplay today. Close background apps and free at least 1 GB of storage before playing. Restart your iPhone once a day to clear temporary memory and caches. Disable Bluetooth and location while playing to reduce radio interference and CPU load. Turn off background app refresh in settings to stop apps updating in the background. Enable low power mode only if you accept slightly reduced performance. Keep your device temperature below 95 degrees Fahrenheit to avoid thermal throttling during sessions. Open Roblox app settings and optimize graphics for mobile performance. Set graphics quality to 1 or 2 for minimal GPU load on older phones. Limit the frame rate to 30 FPS to reduce CPU and battery usage during gameplay. Turn off smooth lighting and lower texture quality to 512 or less when possible. Disable rendering distance or set it to a low value to cut draw calls and memory use. Turn off vibration and unnecessary UI effects to reduce input lag and increase frame stability overall. Stabilize your network to stop lag spikes in Roblox Mobile on iOS. Use a 5 GHz Wi-Fi network and sit within 10 feet of the router for best latency. Avoid cellular data when possible because cell networks add variable ping and packet loss. Quit and relaunch Roblox after applying settings or switching networks to clear connections. Restart your router monthly and check for interference from other devices in the 2.4 GHz band. Update iOS and the Roblox app weekly to get performance and bug fixes.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.